A new door might seem like a small upgrade, but it can make a big impact on the value of your Conway home. Whether you are looking to sell soon or simply want to improve your home's appearance and functionality, investing in professional door installation is a smart move. Here's how a new door can add value in ways you might not have considered. First impressions matter. Your front door is one of the first things people see. A worn-out, faded, or damaged door can make the entire house feel neglected. On the other hand, a new, stylish door sends the message that your home is well cared for. In Conway, where curb appeal can greatly affect a home's resale value, a fresh entry door is a simple yet powerful way to boost your home's overall appearance. Energy efficiency and savings. Many older doors are drafty and poorly insulated, causing heating and cooling systems to work harder and costing you more money. Modern doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind, helping keep your home's temperature steady while lowering energy bills. Buyers appreciate homes with lower utility costs, which means your investment in a quality door can translate to a higher selling price when the time comes. Improved security is a top priority for most homeowners, and potential buyers are no exception. Old or flimsy doors are easy targets for break-ins. Today's new doors are built to be stronger, with advanced locking systems and reinforced materials that help protect your family and belongings. When buyers see a secure, modern entryway, they see peace of mind, and that adds value. Increased functionality. Modern doors often come with better hardware, smoother operation, and features like built-in blinds or glass inserts that let in more natural light while still maintaining privacy. A professionally installed door will open and close properly, with no drafts or sticking. These small conveniences make everyday living easier and more enjoyable, which matters to future buyers. Style upgrades and personalization. One of the best parts of a new door is being able to choose a style that fits your home and your personality. From classic wood doors to sleek steel or fiberglass options, you can pick a design that enhances your home's architectural look. Adding sidelights, transoms, or decorative glass can further boost your home's aesthetic appeal, making it stand out in the Conway real estate market. Return on investment. Many studies have shown that replacing an entry door provides one of the highest returns on investment of any home improvement project. When you consider the combination of improved appearance, energy savings, and better security, it's easy to see why buyers are willing to pay more for a house with a new door. Why hire a professional in Conway? While it may be tempting to install a door yourself, a professional door installer will ensure a proper fit, airtight seal, and correct hardware placement. They'll handle any adjustments to your existing frame and confirm that everything operates smoothly. In a market like Conway, where buyers expect quality craftsmanship, hiring a professional can make all the difference in protecting your investment. Conclusion. Installing a new door is about more than just replacing an old piece of wood or metal. It's an upgrade that improves your home's appearance, safety, comfort, and value. In Conway's competitive housing market, A simple change like a professionally installed door can help your home stand out and attract higher offers if you decide to sell. Even if you plan to stay for years to come, you'll enjoy the benefits every time you open the door to your beautiful, more secure, and more energy-efficient home.